If your wallet looks empty and you're wondering how to turn things around, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of small-scale entrepreneurship. Today, I'll show you 5 amazing businesses that you can start with just N50K. These are not just any businesses, but ones that have proven to be profitable and sustainable. Ready? Let's hustle. Number 1. Snacks business. This is a fantastic venture for anyone who loves cooking and has a knack for making delicious treats. Start frying small chops, puff puff, or chin chin. These snacks are incredibly popular and have a high demand. With schools, offices, and events everywhere, Nigerians love snacks. You can set up a small stand near schools or offices, or even cater for events. Your N50K will cover ingredients, packaging, and branding. Imagine the joy of seeing people enjoy your snacks while you make a profit. Small chops, big money. Number 2. Thrift clothing. Head to your local market, buy clean secondhand clothes, and sell them online. This business taps into the growing trend of sustainable fashion. Nigerians love affordable fashion, and your profit margin can hit 200%. You can start by creating a social media page to showcase your items. Use platforms like Instagram or WhatsApp to reach a wider audience. Take clear, attractive photos of your clothes and engage with your customers. The key is to be consistent and build a loyal customer base. Number 3. Freelance writing. If you've got grammar and a laptop, you're in business. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr can help you connect with clients globally, paying in dollars. Your internet subscription is your biggest expense, but the potential earnings far outweigh this cost. You can write articles, blog posts, or even ebooks. The demand for content is ever growing, and if you can deliver quality work, you'll have clients coming back for more. Number 4. Home cleaning services. Buy basic cleaning tools and offer services to busy professionals. This is a business that requires minimal investment but can yield significant returns. Clean today, cash out tomorrow. Trust me, there's massive demand. People are willing to pay for convenience, and a clean home is a happy home. You can start by offering your services to friends and family, and then expand through word of mouth and social media. And finally, mobile food vendor. Cook and deliver jollof rice, moi, or soups. With apps like Jumia Food, you'll find hungry clients fast. This business is perfect for those who love cooking and want to share their culinary skills. Start small, think big. You can begin by cooking from home and delivering to nearby offices or homes. As your business grows, you can invest in better equipment and expand your menu. There you have it, 5 businesses you can start with just N50K or less. No excuses. Hustle smart, invest wisely, and watch your money grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Let's make 2025 your year of financial freedom. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start your entrepreneurial journey. Whether it's frying snacks, selling thrift clothes, writing, cleaning, or delivering food, there's a business idea here for everyone. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. The more effort you put in, the more rewards you'll reap. So what are you waiting for? Pick an idea, get started, and let's make those dreams a reality. There you have it. 5 businesses you can start with just N50K or less. No excuses. Hustle smart, invest wisely, and watch your money grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Let's make 2025 your year of financial freedom. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start your entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Let's make 2025 your year of financial freedom. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start your entrepreneurial journey. Let's make 2025 your year of financial freedom.